Hi friends, welcome to Roy's Journey once again. Hope you are doing good, your family is doing good in this corona crisis. You are maintaining social distancing and taking all safety measures to see that you and your family members are safe as well as others also. So now I am at Kanakpura Nice Road. I just crossed the toll. You can see behind me there is a toll, Kanakpura toll. So today I am heading towards Tumkur to meet my friend and also to visit Carbon Racing shop. So they do spare parts, touring accessories for various brand motorcycles. So I just want to visit them and see the accessories they are providing, and also to see the quality also of the accessories. In websites you have that, but I want to see personally, and I want to buy one or two accessories for my Interceptor. You can see the Interceptor. So from here the place at Tumkur is about 80 kilometers, so it will take around 1.5 hours journey from here to there. So let's start and catch up there. As you can see, the weather is very lovely, cloudy weather, very good for touring. So yesterday night it has rained and now it's very cloudy. And I checked with my friend in Tumkuru also, so he said there also yesterday evening and night it has rained, and now it has stopped and the weather is cloudy there also. So what a lovely climate. So I am heading towards Tumkuru Nice Road toll gate, and after that I have to catch up the main road towards the Tumkuru. Such a lovely sight it is. Beautiful to see. Everywhere green, green, green. I hope that all of us will preserve this forest and the trees within the city and outside the city also, and pass on the same. Wow, peacock. You have seen the peacock there? Such a beautiful sight today. So I was telling that we have to pass on this greenery to the next generation also, and we have to maintain the Earth's ecosystem. Otherwise, disaster will happen. So just past the Tumkur Road toll gate. As you can see behind me, so it is showing as 43 kilometers from here, the Carbon Racing shop. So on the map it is showing as 43 kilometers from here. Still around 45 to 50 minutes journey is there. So let's see. The climate is getting little hotter. Even though cloud is there, the sun has come out from the clouds and the humidity is increasing. So let's catch up once I reach there. So this I am wearing the riding gear from Vega. This serves two purposes. This serves as a mask now during the corona time. No need to remove and wear one more mask, and as a internal liner or a sweat absorption cloth type also inside the helmet. So this has a dual purpose. So friends, I have reached Carbon Racing. This is a warehouse. This is the opposite warehouse. This is in Tumkur industrial area. So I just spoke to the owner Ravi of Carbon Racing. So he told that this is a warehouse from where they ship. So they do not have a shop in Tumkur where they can sell as a retail one. So only online orders are shipped from here. So I'm just going inside. So this is the warehouse, and he is Mr. Kishore. Okay, so he takes care of the warehouse in charge here for the shipping purpose. So as you can see, they have kept all the boxes ready for shipping with the products. So friends, I am inside their warehouse. So with me he is Kishore. He is the warehouse in charge here for the Carbon Racing Inc. They have products for different brands like Dominar, KTM, Royal Enfield, Interceptor, Thunderbird, Himalayan, all those. Mainly they have front windshield, radiator guard, and reservoir guard, and crash guards also, handlebar also. So handlebar also is there.
Saddle stay also.
Saddle stay also. Okay.
Backrest, saddle stay, handlebar risers, windshields,
Okay.
radiator guards.
Okay.
Much more products is coming soon.
Okay. So which all products you have?
Right now we have windshields and radiator guards and handlebar risers. Just prepare now, right?
Okay. So I came here to see the radiator guard for my Interceptor 650 and windshield. So here you can see this model. So about the fitment and the effectiveness I will put in my next review video. So why I came here all the way and I am choosing this is that the design of this. If you see the honeycomb design, and from the side they have given the slots, and this is for the side protection also. If you see these, are you able to see? Yes, these are the side slots they have given in the downward direction. So I have searched for this in the net. There are many manufacturers in the field. You have JB Racing, you have Bike and Bikers, you have Adventure Tribe, all those. So why I chose is that one is this design is unique, and you have the 650 logo here, and what it does is that this gives more airflow for the cooling of the radiator and the engine parts when you are riding. So that is why I chose this. So the detailed review I will cover once I feed that into my Interceptor 650. So Kishore, can you show some other products also? So this is the windshield.
Yeah.
This is for Interceptor 650?
Interceptor 650 and
Okay.
Himalaya.
And Himalayan.
Yeah.
So this is the clear one.
Yeah. You have three types: one light smoke,
Okay.
and one dark smoke, and one clear.
Okay. So there are three types. So this looks pretty good. So this comes with the
With additional
with
accessories.
fitment support,
Yeah,
all
fitment
those, huh?
support.
Okay, looks quite decent. So this is light smoke one. So then we will see the dark smoke also. So as you can see, this one is dark black. Okay. So these are the handlebar risers. This is for Interceptor.
Interceptor.
Okay.
It comes in chrome and matte black.
Okay.
P90 Adventure.
So this is also handlebar riser. This is for?
KTM 390 Adventure.
Okay. So this is for KTM 390 Adventure. So you can check from their website Carbon Racing. So for the products.
Dominar.
So this is of Dominar 400 and you can fit for 250 also both. So looks very good design. So what they say is that this is unbreakable. Dominar ones.
Well,
All.
windshield.
Okay.
Royal Enfield also.
So this is
For 200, 250.
clear one.
Yeah, clear one. This is also 3 colors. Dark lights, clear.
Okay. So one is clear, one is light smoke, one is dark,
Dark
smokes.
smoke.
Okay. So I have purchased the front windshield, light smoke one, and the radiator guard, matte black one. So I think this is a good quality product what they are designing and selling. And further they are also coming up with pannier racks for Himalayan, Interceptor or Dominar or Royal Enfield Classic, Thunderbird, all those. So still it is in design and trial stages what they say. So let's see, hope for good products coming from Carbon Racing. So I am just waiting for my friend who is on the way. So I just spoke to him, so he told another 20 minutes he will reach. So as you can see, the product is packed. You can opt for shipping. They do through Indian Post, or they have like normal post, speed post and DTDC also options. Or if you are in Bangalore, you want to come for a ride and pick up your material, you can opt for store pickup also. Or if you are in Tumkur area, you can opt for a store pickup also. So as you can see, so I have purchased the front windshield, light smoke one, and the radiator guard. So that is packed. So one thing is that if you are coming by bike, you have to get your ropes because they do not have any ropes. If you want to carry this back on your bike, so you have to place the box here, then tie it. So my friend has come. So he lives in Sira. I thought he is coming on two-wheeler. He has come in jeep. Hi Madhu, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? So he is my friend. So he lives in Tumkur. His hometown is Sira. He works in Bangalore.
Sir, ಅದು ಬಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎರಡು
So he is my friend Madhu.
ಹಾಯ್
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬಿಚ್ಚು ಸಾಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
So as you can see, now we have tied the boxes here and it's ready to go. So I will start my backwards journey to Bangalore. Okay, right Kishore? Thanks. Yeah, bro. Thanks. Bye bye. Okay, Madhu. So thanks to Madhu who helped me tie the box to the bike. So let's move on. I will be going back to Bangalore. He will be going back to Sira, to his hometown. So let's catch up sometime, Madhu.
Yeah, sure.
Because due to Corona, he is stuck in
Native?
Tumkuru only, native. So he is not able to come to Bangalore for work. So I am also working from home. So let's catch up sometime in
Sure,
Bangalore.
definitely.
Okay. Right
After the
then.
normalcy.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. So just reached from Tumkuru, from that carbon racing. So just parked my bike. As you can see, I just parked, so I am not going to remove this boxes because tomorrow I will go to the mechanic and get it fixed. Special thanks to Carbon Racing Inc. Owner Mr. Charles Ravi Kumar for giving me permission to go inside their warehouse and do a small review about their products, what they are capable of, and special thanks to Mr. Kishore, warehouse in charge, for very kind cooperation. So I wish Carbon Racing Inc. to come up with good quality products. So friends, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching.